the pineapple dessert that will surprise everyone this New Year's Eve. I'm going to start by placing 7 slices of pineapple in this mold. Let's set aside and move on to the next step. Add pineapple flavored gelatin, pineapple flavored gelatin, pineapple flavored gelatin, and let's mix very well. Now add cold water and keep stirring. Now pour in the gelatin we've made. Now put it in the fridge and let this gelatin set. Add more pineapple flavored gelatin and then hot water. Now we're going to beat to dissolve this gelatin. Then we're going to add cream and we're going to beat for another minute. Now that we've beaten it very well, I'll take this mixture and pour it over the gelatin, which is already firm. Then put it in the fridge to firm up for about 3 hours, and look how delicious it is. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.